This is probably the best 3D modeling AI out there right now. Hunyuan3D 2.5 just dropped a few days ago, and honestly, it's a game changer. This is a huge leap forward. I'll quickly walk you through its new features and show you some comparisons. First, 10 billion parameter geometry model. Previously, the mini turbo version had only 0.6 billion parameters. Now the system supports meshes up to 1024 resolution. Jumping from 0.6 billion to 10 billion is a massive step. And you will definitely notice it once we hit the comparison part. Second, improved multi-view support and PBR texture generation. In the previous version, it only created a single flat texture, and the quality wasn't that great either. Third, automatic rigging and animation. Version 2.5 now automatically generates rigs and even basic animations. It's not perfect, but it's definitely fun to experiment with. Now, let's dive into comparisons. Instead of comparing it with old 2.0 version, because honestly the difference is night and day, I'll compare it with Tripo 2.5, one of its closest competitors. I've included a variety of models, hard surface and organic, to make it more interesting. First, sci-fi rifle model. Look at how Hunyuan3D really understands shapes. It doesn't just blur things together with random details. It actually reasons about the structure. I feel like if I were to retopologize this, I would end up with pretty decent model. Here's another weapon model, and again, the difference is huge. Next, the military backpack. Both AI models did a solid job here. But notice how Hunyuan3D distinguishes separate parts of the mesh. It's way less blurry and you can see individual details more clearly. Also, the textures are slightly better than what Tripo 2.5 gives you. Third, burger model. Both look delicious, but you can probably already guess who wins here. Just look at the detail level. I'm pretty sure we are getting close to the point where AI will automatically generate each component of the mesh as a separate object. And after this update, it feels really close. Fourth, shoe model. Both models drifted a bit from the original shape, but Hunyuan gives us a much cleaner result overall. Fifth, sword. Hunyuan absolutely nailed it here. Texturing isn't great on either one, but when you look at the details and shapes, it's crazy good. Sixth, crocodile. I really like the skin texture details on Tripo 2.5, but when it comes to model clarity, Hunyuan wins again. Just check the face details and the axe. Although, yeah, the axe is a bit buggy. Seventh, rifle grip models. Hunyuan's version is super clear, maybe even too sharp here. But still, it's a very good model, especially if you plan to use it as a reference. Eighth, hooded cloak. Both AIs did a great job with the overall form, but again, look at the fine details and sharpness on Hunyuan's model. Although I have to say, Tripo 2.5's textures might be a bit better on this one. And finally, shield model. No contest here, you can see the winner right away. The sharpness and detail level just speak for themselves. Now for the best part. Hunyuan3D is completely free right now. You can get a 20 models per day generation limit, which is honestly more than enough for most users. Currently, you can't install it locally. You have to use their website. But I never felt limited with the free version. Just head over to their website, register with your email and start generating. It's in Chinese, but Google Translate will handle it easily. And if you are curious, you can try multi-view feature too. If you are into 3D modeling and AI, feel free to hit like and subscribe. I've got a ton of cool content on the way, and you won't want to miss it. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch.